Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Thelma. Today I'll be giving you a lips tutorial, so please stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So the first thing I'll be doing is to outline my lips. So now I'm re-outlining my lips. It's my classic lipstick in the shade Ombre. Using a small lip brush, I'm applying my classic lipstick in the shade Tomato at the center of my lips. So using the same lip brush, I'm blending the red and wine together, so there is no line demarcating where the red started from and the wine started from. Using my angle brush and a concealer, I'm now carving out how I want my lips to look like. I'll be setting the concealer with my powder using a blending brush. Here's the finished look. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.